Have you ever used a bot to make money? With the increasing advancement in technology, there are several bots out there that have made human life simpler. That's why I'll be showing you how I make $600 passive income with this free bot. You don't have to do the real work. The bot will handle everything for you. And with just 3 websites I'm going to share with you in this video, you can earn hundreds of dollars passively by just copying and pasting information. This is not a scam bot. I tested it and it works perfectly well, and it gives value for your time. So be sure to follow through till the end to get all the steps. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. This bot, which I'm about to introduce to you, is a great way to make money, especially if you're a writer. This is because the bot helps you to write better and provides proofreading services for absolutely free. You just need to click the button that says Start Writing, and it will open a panel where you can either paste someone's content or simply write your content. Once you're through, the bot will automatically proofread your work and tell you the mistakes you've made and the areas that you need to correct, like, say, the spelling errors or grammar mistakes. You might be wondering whether this will require you to do the hard work of writing the text yourself, but hey, that is not the business of this video. Ideally, the 3 websites I'm going to share with you simplify everything to ensure that you don't do the actual job of writing the text. So let's look at these 3 websites where you can find the text to paste inside the bot and start earning. The first website you're going to use for this job is cjink.info. CJ stands for Creative Jobs, and it's the platform where you can find several creative jobs, including writing, editing, and proofreading services. All these jobs can be completed easily in the comfort of your home. On the homepage of cjink.info, when you click on the career menu, you can see several jobs available that you can complete. Among them is online proofreading jobs, and as you can see, they have indicated just below the online proofreading jobs that you can make $5 to $10 proofreading 1,000 words, and that again is quite easy for us. We just need to copy the task from the client and paste it into this bot, which I'll mention to you later in this video, and the bot will check for grammatical errors and spelling mistakes to get you a refined copy, which you can now submit and get paid $5 to $10 free money. Again, as you can see, if you can only proofread 10 files a day, each paying $6, you can be assured of $60 per day. Do this for only 10 days and have $600 per month. This is an easy way of earning money, since you can work anywhere around the world and at any time you wish to work. The most amazing thing is that you're not going to do the hard work now that you have a bot that can handle the rest. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. The second website that you can use with this bot is called Legiate.com. Now, Legiate is a freelancing site that is similar to Fiverr, where you can pitch your services and get clients. At the top of your homepage, there is a long menu listed. Click the drop-down menu under the writing category and choose editing and proofreading, or you can simply click on the writing menu, and once it opens, search for proofreading in the search bar at the top. This will open a filtered list of several freelancers who are offering proofreading services. Like this one here charges $10 for copy editing and proofreading services, and he has already gotten 9 clients. That means he has earned a cool $90 offering proofreading and copy editing tasks. Scroll through and you can see there is another one here offering proofreading and editing services at $15, and for him, he has managed to get 3 clients, which means he has earned $4 to $5. They have to do the hard work of settling down and taking some hours to go through the text from the client and check for the errors as they correct grammar and any spelling mistakes before they can submit the work. However, in your case, you're not going to do the hard work of manually going through the text to correct spelling and grammar mistakes. Instead, you're only going to copy the text from your client and paste it into this bot that I'll mention to you towards the end of this video, and the bot will do everything for you. It will proofread the entire text, and you can pick the refined copy and send it to your client, and boom, you get to earn absolutely free money doing just simple tasks. And the fact that your work will be flawless and delivered faster to the client means you will get more 5-star reviews, which will help you to easily rise through the ranks and become successful at this site. You will get more clients, and that will definitely translate to more free money coming to you. It feels cool to make $10 or more in just like 10 minutes of doing nothing but copy-pasting. If you can perfect this game, you can be sure to win over the rest. So the only thing you need to do to start using this website is to go ahead and click on this blue register button. A form will pop up to allow you to fill in your personal details. Start by entering your full name, email address, and username, and complete by filling in your password. Make sure to choose the type of account you're interested in, which in this case is going to be selling, because you want to sell your services as a copywriter. You can then go ahead and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and register to get your free Legiate account. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. Now, let's move on to the last website where you can get more proofreading jobs that you can easily copy-paste into this bot and get the work done for you to earn you free money. And this website I'm talking about is peopleperhour.com. This website works just like Legit because freelancers use the platform to pitch for their services. And if clients find their services appealing, they can buy from them and they earn. You can opt to search for proofreading in the search bar to filter the results, or you can simply click on the writing and translation menu and choose to proofread. The results you get show several freelancers selling proofreading jobs. Just click on any freelancer here, and you'll be surprised how much they make just proofreading. For instance, Jessica O'Neill here is a proofreader who charges $25 for proofreading services, and she has completed over 1,300 jobs. That means she has earned over $325,000 just proofreading. Well, that's good enough money. And now, considering that for your case you're using a bot, it's going to be much easier to make over $600 per month, especially considering that peopleperhour.com has more clients compared to the first websites we mentioned. Getting started is easier. Just click on sign up as a freelancer, then choose I want to work as a freelancer. This allows you to sign up using your email or Facebook, whichever works best for you. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. Now, these are the 3 websites where you can make money by simply copying the work into a bot. But which is the bot in this case? Well, the bot that is going to help you with doing the real work is called SlickWrite, which can be accessed through www.slickwrite.com. When you look at the homepage, this site looks simple. And as you can see, you can check for grammar in just seconds using this bot. You only need to copy the text from any of the 3 websites we mentioned and paste it here, and it's going to check grammar, spelling, and rewrite the text. You can now just send the work to the client and get paid. So there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.